So, hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching us. So, here to share with us, I traded GBP, BTC USD today. Yes, I switched to crypto today because uh, every market is really dumping. Every market is dumping so hard, as in. So, even GBP that we used to trade is dumping as well. So, I decided to trade BTC today, and we hit one ratio 2.6 today on BTC. So I'm going to take us through how I traded BTC today. So on our 1 hour time frame, let's go to 4 hours time frame. On our 4 hours time frame, like this was the last low that came to break structure here. So this was another low that came to break structure. So we can see there is already a market shift on our 4 hour time frame. So let's go down to our 1 hour time frame. So on our 1 hour time frame, this was the last low that came to break structure here. So this was our protected low, and price already broke through it. As you can see, I already mark it out here, market structure shift out here right now. So price from another block here on our side of that block. As you can see, this was the last candle that sweep liquidity before coming to break structure. So this was the last low before markets came to break structure here. So on our 1 hour time frame, price went on to mitigate that last low, this low right here. As you can see here, this low right here, price mitigated this low right here, this lower high right here, lower high right here, and then came on to break structure. So that tells us that sellers have been using the market. So I actually missed this move on BTC, because initially this was my own edge. Yes, my edge, the edge that I trade. If you watch my videos very well, you understand when I said my edge. So this morning I was looking for a chance on GBP, but GBP did not retrace. Let's see, GBP did not retrace at all, so there was no chance to trade GBP. So I then went on to BTC and then did my analysis. So this was what happened on BTC. So like I said, this low has induced sellers right here. So price then retraced back to that 1 hour order block. Then after price retraced back to 1 hour order block. Like I told you, this is a liquidity trap. This is a trap right here. As you can see, when price retraced back to it, then price reacted to it before going to break it. This low right here, price reacted to it. That's how you know that it's a trap before going back to break it. So immediately price mitigated at 1 hour sell order block. Then price come again. Then price came here, broke the last low. That's how we know that there's already change of character in the market. So price went back again to mitigate, like, because price left another order block again. So price went back again to mitigate that order block. Then went on to break structure. So let me tell you how I found my entry on this market. So now we are still on our 1 hour time frame. When price indicated this 1 hour sell order block, then price came back, retraced back, then creates another liquidity trap right here. As you can see, these are another liquidity trap right here before coming to break structure. So like I said, price always moves with liquidity. That's the basis of the market. Price moves with liquidity. So when you are able to be patient and you spot liquidity in the market, then you are set for life. So price mitigated this place, then come back. So price came back, sweep liquidity again, then went back to that same order block. Then I just opened the chart this morning and I was like, wow. So BTC is doing exactly as my age. When I did my analysis, I was like, oh, BTC is doing exactly as my age. This is exactly my age. But I should have met I wish I did meet the trade here, somewhere around there, or when the trade hits here. I wish I did meet that trade. So as I was saying, price sweep liquidity here, boom. Then price was making lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So I was looking for a chance in the market. So immediately I saw price create liquidity down here. So I was like, I'm going to trade this market. So my reason for sale is after price swept liquidity here, this our liquidity trap here. After price swept it, then price was making lower, 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 lower. So immediately price updated the last lower. Immediately price updated the last lower. As we used to say, when we have two lower highs, let's go to 5 minute time frame now. When we have a break of structure, the last break of structure is always inducements. So when price goes back to this break of structure here, so these are 5 minutes lower high here, price mitigated it, then reacted to it, then boom. So I entered for myself. Immediately price broke through here. Immediately I see price broke through our last break of structure, last higher low before causing break of structure. So I entered right away. So price then retrace. Price still came back here again, sweep liquidity here, and then boom. I think there was a news because this market only took. I entered in the morning. So when we stepped in New York session, this market only took like an hour to make all this move. So and then, like I told you, like you need to spot liquidity in the market. So look at what market did here. Market came back, sweep the available liquidity here with a week. Yes, with a week, not a body candle, with a week. So that's when you know that liquidity is there because buyers have already been induced in this market. So guys, that is how I traded BTC USDT today. So like I always say, you need to be patient. You need when price came back here, I was like, oh, price. So you need to be patient, like, and you need to be able to spot liquidity. When you don't spot liquidity, don't trade. That is the essence of trading. Price moves liquidity. There are people that move the market, and people that move the market they target liquidity before. So that's it, guys. Thank you for listening. So.